What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and yes, we are just carrying straight on now. 17 Pro Max content incoming on the daily right now. So deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max does have a screen protector. I've got more screen protector videos on the way. Apple this year moved away from FineWoven and they've gone with a new one called Techwoven Case. So I went to the Apple store, I picked this up yesterday along with AirPods Pro 3. We done FineWoven. I hated it with a passion. I made that known in the video. It was the wrong material, it was horrendous, and I know I've seen pictures and stuff of like a couple of months later, they looked dreadful. So I picked up Techwoven to check it out. So as you can see, iPhone 17 Pro Max, Techwoven case, MagSafe camera control. Flipping it over, tells you how to fit it in properly. It does have the holes on it for the new strap they've bought out. I'm not going to bring that to you though. You have to look at another video for that strap. I'm not doing that. That's just not for me. It's not something that I'd use. With the black version, I did want the blue version to match the phone, but unfortunately it was completely sold out. So I went with the next best thing and I went with black. So taking it out, I mean that fabric, I don't know, I've just got a feeling it's going to be grubby, it's going to scratch. I mean, it's already got a mark on it already. And like it's picking up dust like no one's business, and this room isn't exactly dusty. It gets cleaned regularly, so there's, yeah, I don't know. And like fabric on the side too, I'm just not into fabric cases anyway, but safety and handling, MagSafe accessory, so there's that. Not much else in the box anyway, so let's get that out the way. But yeah, I mean, fabric on the side right here is like nice and smooth, but again, I just got a funny feeling it's going to mark really easily. Cutouts on each corner for that new accessory, bottom for your charge port and your microphone, your speakers, MagSafe logo in the middle. It feels nice and it smells nice too. Obviously I miss the leather, but let's bring in the scale. Let's plop it on. And we're looking at 35 grams for the case, so not too bad in the grand scheme of things. If we grab the iPhone, slap it in, shows the MagSafe logo, as all Apple cases do, and then if we slap it on, 280 with the iPhone in. So it's not too bad in the grand scheme of things. I've seen heavier cases last year, but I mean, it feels nice. It's nice and grippy on the sides. Nice texture on the back. It is going to fit nice into the hand. But again, I've just got a funny feeling it's going to mark up. It's going to look bad after a few months of wear. But let's go into it anyway. So I have got a screen protector on my phone, and as you can see, it raises up and above the actual screen protector, which is a good thing. So you can go ahead and place it face down. Of course, them cameras are also nice and recessed into that housing. So you can place it housing side down. It's got a nice black finish around the camera housing, so it does look the part. It looks really good with the blue foam, and it would look good with the silver. The orange I haven't seen. Maybe it will look good with that too. Apple logo in the centre, obviously not further down where the MagSafe, obviously where we've seen other ones. But Apple logo front and centre, nice clicky buttons. They feel like they're a metal sided button, but they feel more plasticky. So it might just be a coated button, but nice and clicky, still works well. If we bring in the Apple MagSafe battery pack, not the new one, the older one, that charges with lightning, that's what it's going to look like. So yeah, so then let's do the test. And yeah, of course, I mean, it's Apple MagSafe, it's not really going to fail, is it? And then we bring in the Nomad base stand and we do that test as well, just to see, is there any marks on this yet? No, not yet, thankfully. So place it down, it's charging, and yeah, no issues. Picks it up, no issues there really. So, in the grand scheme of things, I do think it is a nice case. I haven't seen no circle here just yet. Obviously, I haven't been using it all the time. I only just took it out the packet. But I'm assuming you're going to see a MagSafe ring start to form, like we did with the FineWoven. It does look nice and it feels nice too. Now the camera control button, let's give that a test. So yeah, it clicks straight in, no issues there. Obviously Apple genuine products, really good. It's saying here iPhone can charge to approximately 90% while using a MagSafe battery pack, so 90%, that's what you're going to get. Good, feels good. My only issue is what it's going to wear like. So I may keep hold of this, I don't know yet. I may use it on a daily basis just to see, and then we may revisit in the future and see what it's held up like. But for me personally, I mean, that's a solid, I'd say 6.5 out of 10 for me. If I was going for a case, this is probably one that I'd maybe skip. And that's only because of what I'm worried about when it gets marks and stuff like that and it starts to look bad. Like if you got like if you've been out for a meal or whatever and you use your fingers and then you pick this up, I've got a funny feeling grease marks will show, you know, all the usual stuff, and I don't know how you go about cleaning this. And then on the sides as well, with it being a fabric, I don't know how it would fare up. But I mean, if you had the FineWoven last year, then obviously let me know what your thoughts were of the FineWoven. Like that mark already, you know, it's going to get marked up, I think, easily. So at the FineWoven last year, let me know what you thought of it. Was it a case you thought, you know what, I'll just buy it, it's my style? Or did you have the same issue as most had, where it was just not a case for you, it was shocking, it marked up super easy, and I think the glue started to peel at some point too. I've seen some videos about, because people were using them on the daily. But let me know what you think of the new Techwoven. Is it something you were considering going for? I will leave links down below to where you can pick it up for yourself. As I say, I picked it up from the Apple Store, but I'll leave Amazon links down below to where you can pick it up so you don't have to venture out the house if you don't want to. So let me know what you think. I think it's a nice looking case. It feels nice. It smells good. But as I say, I just got a horrible feeling it will mark up quite easy. But let me know what you think in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. And also, let me know what colour iPhone you went for and what colour Techwoven case you went for, if any. Let me know in the comments. See you soon, guys.